Welcome to the Wolfpack, the channel where we turn yard sale finds into profit. In this video, I'm going to hook you up with a free inventory Google tracking sheet to thank all of you for almost hitting 100 subscribers. I'm also going to show you exactly how to use it and download it step by step. If you enjoy, hit that like button, subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I love you. Alright, now I'm going to walk you guys through on how to use this Google Sheets. The first category is going to be your SKU. This is going to be obviously where you put your item. The second one is going to be your item title. I also put where I get the item also because it helps me at the end of the year organize like receipts and stuff. If you want to add a new row below, you have to right click here and click insert row below. I also like to add these little lines below to separate different yard sales and like flea markets like that. This also automatically will calculate the days it took to sell and your net profit, so you got to do that. This took me forever to realize how to make. I realized that I could have downloaded another one, but I wanted to make my own. So the third category is going to be the purchase date, obviously, the list date, sold price, sold date, cost of goods, fees, shipping costs, net profit, weight, days to sell, and platform you sold it on. I also have this category if you want to cross list on other platforms like eBay, Mercari, and Poshmark. Like I said, if you needed to add a new row below, all you gotta do is click here, and a little trick that I like to do is select a bunch, right click, and do that. You can also do that on your phone too, so don't worry about it. This is for phone, tablet, and iPad, so enjoy. The second sheet is going to be your expenses. This is going to be obviously when you go to Walmart or any place to buy shipping supplies or even yard sale withdrawals, go to ATM and get withdrawals. So you have date, item, location, details, price, and mileage on your car. Personally, I use the app Stride to count my miles for the end of the year for taxes and stuff like that. So yeah, let's go on to the third one. Okay, the third page is a net profit calculator. I love this because I always like to realize how my year's going and how much I'm making. This section right here is a calculator, so you can put as many things in these boxes as you want to get the total of what you're doing. It's only adding and stuff like that. So this is going to be for your total revenue for the year, cost of goods, expenses, fees, and shipping. And then this gives you your total net profit. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to download it. The best part is completely free. All you gotta do is hit that like button and subscribe button. First, all you gotta do is go down to the description and click this free inventory Google tracking sheet, and then click make copy. Wait until this loads. Okay, now you can rename it to whatever you want, and this is gonna automatically save to your Google Sheets. The first thing is gonna be your inventory, and then your expenses, and then your net profit. Just in case that you don't come back to this video, here's going to be a short little how-to on how to use it just in case you forget. But yeah. I made this inventory tracking sheet for resellers and hustlers like me and you. There's no catch, there's no signups. It's just a free thank you gift from me to you. Hit that like button, subscribe button, and grab the link below.